Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This one of the scenario based SQL question has been asked in the EXL. Okay, so they just have shared like some sample data into it. Okay, with the orders and customers. If you can see here, these are order details on the top. If you can see here, these are the first of all. Let me show you the customers. See, just in a way, think of it. You have a Amazon application. Okay, you have whenever you're going to log in, you can see all the customer related information, like whoever the customer was, a specific name, when they have been signed in, what are the address, and everything is going to be captured as a customer related context. Okay, in terms of orders, whatever we're going to keep that as an orders, whenever we're going to purchase something, that could be tracked into the orders table. Okay, so that has been showing here order id. So what is the customer id? So when the order has been placed, what's the specific amount of that? Okay, these are the two tables has been captured. Now from this I have to find out the customers who haven't ordered it, which means that they have been logged in already to a application, but they haven't placed any order. Okay, so let me take the two tables out to the Excel, and let me help you understand like how we can able to build that kind of context. If you can see here, this is what I told you. This is a customer centric related information. This is the order related information. Okay, let me keep these, the customer, and this is orders. Okay, see, right, if you can see here, I have these many customers, like almost 9 customers has been logged in as they have an account, but these are the list of orders they have been placed. If you can see here, this is a customer id. Here is a customer id mapping. If you can see here, customer id 1 has been placed in order already, so we don't need to think about it. Okay, and customer 102, if you can see here, 102, they have been already placed in order, so we don't need to think about them as well. 103, 103, so they have been already placed in orders here. So this is a customer 103, they have been logged in. Here we can see all the customer related purchases and everything. And next 104, so even 104, we have 105 as well. Okay, so these two people also has been purchased. Okay, orders 107, even 107 also has been purchased. Like we can see here, the same person has been. But if you can see here, 106, 108, 109, these three folks do not have any purchase orders so far. Like they have, okay, but they are inactive, which means that they haven't purchased any order. Like, okay, how can we able to show the customers who haven't purchased any order so far? Okay, let's jump into the SQL query. So just in a way of approach, we are just going to map these customers to these customers using a left join. Okay, whoever, like, see, if you can see here, we can able to capture all this information here. Like if it is 101, specific orders and specific information is going to be populated here with all that entries, everything into it. But for these things, it could be null. Okay, it could be null for these three entries because there is no order has been placed, right? So it could be null, so we have to do a left join. And then finally, if this whatever this orders table based order id or customer id is blank or a null, that could be tracked. So if you can see here, these three are the people or customers who haven't purchased us, so that could be comes into the picture. So let's come to the SQL and let's see how we can able to incorporate that. If you can see here, we have a customers, okay, and we have the orders as well. So first of all, let's do a joining part. Customers, because customers table is going to have all the customer related information. Doesn't matter whether they have purchased something or not. Okay. So select start from customers, left join. So let me take it as C and orders as O, left join. C dot, as I shown you, customer name, customer ID equals to O dot customer ID. So let's see what is going to be the outcome for it. At least we can able to get everything. Okay. Oh, something is missing. C dot customer ID. Okay, left chain is already defined there. Okay, we already given that. Okay, we just need to provide the mapping. Yeah, let's do it now. USTOME spelling is incorrect. Let's run it now. Yeah, if you can see here, as I told you, the same approach. Okay, this customer has been placed. Let's keep this side by side. We can clearly understand. This 101 has been purchased two orders. Okay, 101 has been two orders. These two orders has been showing here. 101 with a specific, like, these are the two purchases with a 2500 and 1800. Okay, another like another, it's 102 Anita Sharma has been purchased one order with a 1800. Okay, in the same manner, each and everything is going to be populated. But what we have is these are the customers, but we haven't purchased. Okay, if you can see here, Sneha Reddy, this is a 106. There is no order has been placed. Okay, and then Vishnu, Sugandha. So whoever, like, all these people has been captured as a null because there is no order has been placed for them, from their end. Okay, so this is what we did now. On top of it, let's select where you can select anything. You can see like where o dot order id is null, order id is null, so that's also going to work. Okay, so this is what it is. Even if you want to specify anything instead of order id, you can specify like customer, like directly customer might be something good sometime, because the customer is a people who haven't ordered anything, right? So that could be, very much helpful as well. These are the folks who haven't placed any order. Right now I don't need these things at all. Okay, I just need the customer related information, whoever hasn't purchased anything. So as I've been already defined the customers as a c, I'm just going to keep that as a context, c dot. So I'm just going to capture only the first context, customer related information. So these are the customers who haven't purchased, haven't placed any order so far. That's it. In the same time, so this is one sort of approach. Okay, so there is a another sort of approach. We can clearly see that. I'll show you that as well. Let me remove this. I don't need this anymore. As we know that, let's think. So these are like, four, like 106, 108, 109, and 1112. The same manner. Now, like customer, like select star from uh, orders. So what are we going to see is we can see all the customer related, all the things and everything into it. Instead of that, I'll be taking, few, like, distinct customer ID. So what I'm going to here is, so these are the customer IDs who have a specific orders. Okay, remaining, well, like, let's think of this as a one. Okay, on top of it, we just have to define another thing called select. So we need from the customer centric, select star from customers where customer id not in. Okay, so these are like, hope you understand. So these are the customer ids exist, whichever exist. These are like, I have a five, so except that five. Okay, other than that five, I just want to show it. Okay, that's what I'm trying to show here. First of all, I just captured the customer ids from here. Now I want from the customers whichever, like, not in this list. Okay, let's try to do it. Customer, yeah, just a customer. Oh, it's a select star from customers. Let's run. See, again, same sort of outcome. Okay, so how you going to define is up to you. Okay, so outcome, so you can able to use left join, or you can able to use this some sort of way. So finally you can able to get this as an outcome. So that's what the interview question has been asked in the EXL. Okay, so yeah, I'll be covering another scenario, customers with a matching ratio. See, for example, we have like, 10 customers we have. For example, out of whatever, like, if you can see here, 9 customers, we have, like, total is 9 customers. I mean, let me help you understand. So I don't have a time to cover both of them in a single video. Nine, and how many customer we have is seven orders, goes to seven. What is the matching ratio? Matching ratio is 7 by, we can see like 7 by 9. What is this? Is 77%. So 77 percentage of the customers has been placed their orders.